By the end of the video, we'll know about how to work out 4 six-pack ABS, focusing on the best exercises, nutrition tips, and strategies to reveal your abdominal muscles. Achieving a six-pack requires a combination of targeted workouts, cardiovascular exercise, and a clean diet. Warm-up routine. Start with a warm-up to prepare your core for the workout. Jumping jacks. 1 minute high knees. 1 minute torso twists. 1 minute. Dynamic stretches. 2 minutes. Focus on core muscles. Six-pack workout plan 1. Plank target. Entire core duration. 3 sets of 1 minute. 2. Bicycle crunches. Target. Upper and lower ABS. Obliques reps. 3 sets of 20 reps each side. 3. Leg raises target. Lower ABS reps. 3 sets of 15 reps. 4. Russian twists target. Obliques reps. 3 sets of 20 reps each side. 5. Mountain climbers target. Core, shoulders, and cardiovascular system reps. 4 sets of 30 seconds. 6. Flutter kicks target. Lower ABS reps. 3 sets of 30 seconds. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Cardio exercises 1. High intensity interval training HIIT. Target, overall fat burning, including belly fat. Example, 30 seconds of sprinting followed by 30 seconds of rest. Repeat for 15 to 20 minutes. 2. Jump rope duration, 10 to 15 minutes. Frequency, 3 to 4 times a week. 3. Running or jogging duration, 20 to 30 minutes. Frequency, 3 to 4 times a week. Nutrition and recovery. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dynamize ESO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue the video's main topic. Balanced diet. Eat a diet rich in whole foods, including lean proteins, vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. Avoid sugary drinks and processed foods. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support metabolism and overall health. Adequate sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to support recovery and overall health. Cool down and stretch. Finish your workout with a cool down to help your muscles recover. Cat-cow stretch. 1 minute child's pose. 1 minute seated forward bend. 1 minute cobra stretch. 1 minute final tips. Consistency. Stick to your workout routine and be patient. Achieving a six-pack takes time and dedication. Proper form. Focus on performing each exercise with correct form to prevent injuries and maximize effectiveness. Lifestyle changes. Incorporate regular physical activity, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep into your daily routine for best results. By following this structured workout plan and incorporating these tips, you'll be on your way to achieving six-pack ABS and enjoying a stronger, more defined core. Remember, consistency, proper nutrition, and recovery are key. Happy training.